Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and sign up for Grindr app on your mobile device. Grindr is a geological-based social networking application for the LGBTQ+ and broader community. You can chat via Grindr's messaging system. The chats are transmitted within Grindr's platform. You may send messages containing text, images, videos, and voice. Upon opening the application, you are presented with a grid or a cascade of the members who are sorted of the distance. You can select any profile in the cascade to view the person's image, profile information, send a message, or tap another member. You can select certain features to help identify people nearby that they may wish to interact with. You may also subscribe to its premium service, which provides more features, including the ability to apply multiple features. You may subscribe to the premium service, which provides more features, including the ability to apply more filters. So in order to use all of these features, first you have to download this application on your mobile device, then sign up for it. In order to do that, all you have to do is go to Play Store application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. On the search field, search for Grindr, and once you find the relevant result, go and tap on install. Now wait for the downloads to complete. And once the download is complete, go to the application and tap on it to open. Go to the top right corner and tap onto the sign up option here. Now you will see the terms and conditions set by the application. Go and tap on next. With this, you will see the pop-up on your screen of terms of service, so go and tap on accept. On the privacy and cookie policy page, go and tap on next again. Then once you see the pop-up of privacy policy, go and tap on accept. Now you can create a Grindr account using your email address, or you can sign up using your existing Google account or your Facebook account. By creating an account using an email address will provide you a password that you can log in with. So enter your email address in the email text field here, then create a password for yourself. Re-enter your password to confirm, then set your date of birth, then tap on to send me occasional emails regarding the account, subscription, and special offers. Once you are done entering the details, go and tap on create account. Now you will have to complete this verification step by tapping on to I am not a robot. Now enter your mobile number in the phone text field here. Then tap on to send code in order to verify your account. Now the app sends a verification code to your mobile number. Copy the code and paste it on the text field here. Once you have entered the verification code, go and tap on verify. Once your account is verified, tap on OK. Once you tap on OK, you can now edit your profile. Once you are done editing your profile, go and tap on save. And by tapping on OK, you will have successfully created an account on Grindr application. After creating and accessing your account on a supported device, you will retain access to your data account and chats. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.